following video shows the step-by-step directions to replace the drive or serpentine belt on a 2009 Ford Escape with the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Here is a list of the tools used. Safety first. The drive or serpentine belt is located on the front right passenger side of the engine. The easiest way to replace it is to remove the front right tire and splash shield. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines to safely lift the vehicle for tire removal. Use jack stands to support the vehicle before attempting the steps in this video. The next step is to remove the splash shield. It's attached with 1 plastic rivet and 5 10mm screws. The first and second are located under the wheel well. The third, fourth, and fifth screw are located under the bumper. Once you remove the plastic rivet and 5 10mm screws, you can drop the splash shield and you will have access to the drive belt. To remove the belt, you will need to insert a 1/2-inch square socket wrench into the 1/2-inch square hole in the tensioner. Once you insert the wrench into the tensioner, turn it counterclockwise to release the tension on the belt. At this point, you can slip the belt right off the tensioner. Here is the replacement belt I purchased at AutoZone. The belt installation will be exactly the opposite of the removal process. Here is the belt diagram for this engine. To install the belt, align it on all of the other pulleys and then release the tension from the tensioner and slip it on the tensioner pulley. Before installing the splash shield, start the car to make sure the belt is functioning properly.
Belts are functioning properly. It's no longer lit, so we should be safe to put the splash guard back on.
Lift the splash guard into place, align the holes, insert the plastic rivet and 5 10mm screws. Congratulations, you have just completed the drive or serpentine belt installation. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines to safely mount the tire and remove the jack stands.